running by you in no flash. Breaking the rules, guess I switch my pace. Something to life you just can't replace. Oh no, you can't replace. No, you wanna dig my skull under your heel, but in time you'll find there aren't any tricks left to pull on me. Fight to be free. I'm always thinking 2 steps ahead. Don't care who stands in my path. I'll never change who I am, and who they all believe in. Push me to carry on, crashing to the break of dawn, fighting with the time that are gone, 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 gone. I don't let uncertainty slow me down or make me second guess. I'll pave my own way forward and clean up this mess. Gotta keep on rolling, gotta keep singing my song. It's true if you think that you're faster. I'm out here. Prove me wrong. Lost it all, still I stand. No circumstance, I'll die by your hand. With the strength burned in my mind, bring your words that won't hold back. You can't twist the way I feel. I keep moving on. There's no more holding back. All the souls you toyed with, shouted with violence, using this word to hold it from me. There's no mercy, there's no more. Nothing can bring them back. I'm out here. As fast as you are, you